Want to speak English confidently? Speak. Learn, practice, improve. Speak English confidently every day. Let's speak English together.
This is my head. Nice. This is my hair. Nice. These are my eyes. Nice. This is my nose. Nice. These are my ears. Nice. This is my mouth. Nice. These are my teeth. Nice. This is my chin. Nice. This is my neck. Nice. These are my shoulders. Nice. These are my arms. Nice. This is my elbow. Nice. This is my hand. Nice. These are my fingers. Nice. This is my thumb. Nice. This is my chest. Nice. This is my stomach. Nice. This is my back. Nice. This is my waist. Nice. This is my hip. Nice. These are my legs. Nice. This is my knee. Nice. This is my thigh. Nice. This is my ankle. Nice. These are my feet. Nice. These are my toes. Nice. This is my forehead. Nice. These are my cheeks. Nice. These are my eyebrows. Nice. These are my eyelashes. Nice. This is my wrist. Nice. This is my palm. Nice. These are my nails. Nice. This is my tongue. Nice. This is my throat. Nice. This is my skin. Nice. This is my heart. Nice. This is my muscle. Nice. This is my jaw. Nice. This is my fist. Nice. This is my spine. Nice. This is my hairline. Nice. This is my earlobe. Nice. This is my nose bridge. Nice. This is my nostril. Nice. This is my upper lip. Nice. This is my lower lip. Nice. These are my gums. Nice. This is my collarbone. Nice. This is my armpit. Nice. This is my forearm. Nice. This is my bicep. Nice. This is my shin. Nice. This is my calf. Nice. This is my heel. Nice. This is my sole. Nice. This is my big toe. Nice. This is my little toe. Nice. This is my kneecap. Nice. This is my hip bone. Nice. This is my upper arm. Nice. This is the back of my hand. Nice. This is my fingertip. Nice. This is my index finger. Nice. This is my middle finger. Nice. This is my ring finger. Nice. This is my little finger. Nice. This is my eyelid. Nice. This is my pupil. Nice. This is my mouth corner. Nice. This is my temple. Nice. This is the back of my head. Nice. This is my scalp. Nice. This is my side. Nice. These are my ribs. Nice. This is my belly button. Nice. This is my lower back. Nice. This is my upper back. Nice. This is my pulse. Nice. This is my vein. Nice. This is my cheekbone. Nice. This is my dimple. Nice. These are my freckles. Nice. This is my wrist bone. Nice. This is my knuckle. Nice. This is my palm line. Nice. This is my toenail. Nice. This is my instep. Nice. This is my jawline. Nice. This is my hair part. Nice. This is my eyebrow arch. Nice. This is my nose tip. Nice. This is my ear. Nice. This is my outer ear. Nice. This is my shoulder blade. Nice. This is my hip joint. Nice. This is my ankle bone. Nice. This is my foot arch. Nice. This is my body. Nice. Thank you for learning with me. Bye-bye.